Hello and welcome to my channel EMTECH. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos about technology, software, and practical PC tips. In today's video, we're going to talk about Advanced SystemCare PRO 19, a very popular Windows optimization tool, and most importantly, how you can get it directly from the official website, safely and without using modified or risky versions. Advanced SystemCare PRO 19 is an all-in-one PC optimization tool designed to improve system performance, stability, and security. The latest version now uses artificial intelligence to analyze your computer's condition and apply the most effective optimizations with just one click. The AI-powered scan detects system slowdowns, hidden errors, and performance issues that may affect your PC over time. Once the scan is complete, the program automatically fixes these problems and provides a full system health check, which is especially helpful for users who don't have advanced technical knowledge. One of the strongest features of Advanced SystemCare PRO is its deep cleaning capability. It removes unnecessary junk files, temporary files, cache, leftover data from uninstalled programs, and invalid registry entries. This helps free up disk space, improve system responsiveness, and reduce the risk of crashes or Windows errors. When it comes to privacy protection, Advanced SystemCare PRO offers advanced tools to keep your data safe. It automatically clears browsing history, removes online traces, and blocks spyware, helping to prevent virus infections, data theft, and online tracking. Performance improvement is the main goal of Advanced SystemCare PRO. The software optimizes startup programs, manages RAM more efficiently, and better allocates system resources. According to the developers, this can result in up to 200% faster PC performance, depending on your system's condition. In addition, the program includes network optimization features that promise up to 300% faster internet browsing. This means faster page loading, smoother video streaming, and an overall better online experience, especially for older computers or slower internet connections. What makes Advanced SystemCare PRO stand out from similar tools is that it offers a complete solution in one package: deep cleaning, performance boosting, privacy protection, and automatic system maintenance. You don't need multiple programs, everything is integrated into one easy-to-use interface. If you decide to download Advanced SystemCare PRO 19, I strongly recommend doing so only from the official website, to avoid pirated or modified versions that may contain malware or security risks. You'll find the official download link in the video description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and share it with someone who has a slow PC. Thanks for watching EMTECH, and I'll see you in the next video.